I'm just going to see what that is.
It probably already had nectar, don't worry. Riley's a sweetheart.
Gets along with other dogs.
Yeah, that's what they said. He's been getting along with that dog, playing with some other ones. You guys have a dog at home?
Yes.
Lab. Okay.
He's gonna be 9, so he's on the older side.
So energy.
Yeah. So what's sparked this? Is it just something you guys do at Petco on a regular basis? Or?
So